What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to reduce your CPU usage when using the Wallpaper engine. So first of all, open up the application and select this gear icon at the top right. On this window, you can change some settings which will make sure that your wallpaper will take up less resources, but it may lower the visual quality. Set the playback setting to your personal preference. Set the quality preset to low if the wallpaper is using too much CPU performance. Lowering or disabling all of the next settings will help you too. I recommend to play around with these until you're happy with the visual quality and CPU usage. As you might guess, the FPS setting will have a big impact on your PC's performance. If you can't handle 25 FPS, then consider to lower it to 20 or 15. On the General tab, set the priority to high if you want the wallpaper to start on boot. Also, enable your video hardware acceleration. Next, make sure that your antivirus or application control is set to trusted with the Wallpaper engine. You should also make sure that your drivers and OS is up to date. Lastly, some wallpapers use up much more resources than others. Try out different ones which are not so hard on your system. Just as a comparison, I am running the software on pretty much the highest settings and its utility is always on less than 0.5%, mostly on 0.2. And it is running on 2 monitors processed by a 7th generation i5 processor. If you have comparable hardware, then you should easily be able to run the program. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.